Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how do you know if your DJI Mic Mini is connected. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your DJI Mic Mini. How do you actually go ahead and know if it's connected? So I recently just got the DJI Mic Mini, and essentially what you have here is that you can see that there's a green light here and a green light here. That means the second transmitter is connected to the second transmitter. Now, if I take off the first transmitter, which is this one here, you can see that it now starts to blink green, and now this light is now green, and this light is now green. So now that means that the transmitter is connected to both the transmitters right over here. So if the light stays green, it means that it's connected, depending on whether it's transmitter 1 or transmitter 2. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about explaining this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.